Today, we are setting up units in AutoCAD. Are you working in the wrong skill? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Stick around, let's take a shot. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are learning how to set up units in AutoCAD. Whether you're working in inches, millimeters, or anything else, setting up your unit properly is crucial for getting accurate designs. To be able to access our units, you type in units on your keyboard and press enter. Once you press enter, the drawing dialog box is going to appear, showing the drawing units. In the unit command, we are going to choose the type of unit. So we come down around the drop down menu here and click, and we are going to see that we have 5 different types of unit: architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientific. Each one serves a different purpose depending on your project. For most architecture and engineering projects, decimal units works best, but architectural is commonly used for building plans in feet and inches. So we are going to choose decimal here, and the next thing we want to look at is the precision. We're going to set the precision. So you click on the drop down menu here. So this defines how detailed your measurement is going to be. That's the amount of decimal places your measurement is going to be. So you can take 0.01 and you can take 0.02 depending on the type of precision you need for your project. Here we're going to use 0.02. Move down to the type of units we want to use. You come here and you click on the drop down menu. You are going to see feet, inches, millimeters, centimeters, miles, depending on your kind of project. So we will choose meters here, but you can choose anything based on your kind of project you have, and you press OK. Your units has been set up for this project. Now you know how to set up your units in AutoCAD properly. With the right unit and scale, you avoid mistake. Create accurate professional drawings every time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. See you in the next video.